Welcome to the inner you. Get comfortable, either seated or lying down. As your body settles into this space, close your eyes. Take a moment to acknowledge yourself. Recognize and honor your existence by saying hello to you. Embrace this moment with humility and give yourself the next few minutes to cultivate awareness of your breath. Bring your awareness to your breathing. Without trying to control it, notice how it flows in and out naturally. As you inhale, feel the cool air enter through your nostrils and fill up your lungs. As you exhale, allowing any lingering tension within you to dissolve. As you continue breathing, focus on the soft expansion and contraction of your belly. The gentle rise and fall of your chest. Picture yourself like a leaf swaying gently on a stream, with each breath nourishing your body and carrying you calmly along. If any thoughts arise about tasks undone or worries about tomorrow, acknowledge them without judgment. Then gently guide your attention back to your breath and soothing sway of the water. With each inhale, imagine drawing in warmth and serenity. As you inhale, visualize a calming energy filling every part of your body, starting at the feet, then legs, torso, hands, arms, and head. As the calming energy fills you up with each breath, see it radiate from your heart, bathing you in light. And now with each exhale, envision releasing any burdens or negative energy. Watch it all drift away like dark clouds dispersing into the vast sky. Continue this beautiful breathing cycle for a few moments. The rhythmic dance between inhalation and exhalation, grounding you deeper into peace and acceptance. Each breath is an opportunity, an offering, to nourish both body and mind while humbly embracing whatever comes next. Slowly begin to bring awareness back to the space around you, the sounds that fill the air, the sensations against your skin. And when you're ready, wiggle your toes and fingers. Taking one last deep breath in through the nose, holding for just a moment, and then release with a sigh through your mouth. Open your eyes and thank yourself for taking these precious moments for mindful breath awareness. Carry this sense of calm with you as you move forward into whatever lies ahead.